Appeal to Supreme Court and Government of India. Many high courts in India have placed orders in favor of employees pertaining to exempted PSUs for availing the full pension option in line with Supreme Court judgment. Many exempted PSUs from EPFO are enjoying the full pension options already. Selected PSUs which are exempted from EPFO are only denied by EPFO. It is a sheer personal vendetta by an IAS officer. However, to our dismay, many exempted PSUs are enjoying the full pension options. Is it not partial treatment? Senior citizens are dying daily. Corona too takes away our brothers and sisters. The Supreme Court judges and registry have been dilly-dallying our review petition. There is no fellow human being and sense of responsibility in giving utmost priority to the legitimate genuine pension demands for senior citizens. Please share this appeal as much as possible so that it is tabled on Supreme Court judges and Prime Minister of India. At least let the survivors of senior citizens of India get the benefits of EPS 94 pension before they kick their buckets. Whole world knows that there is no financial crisis to EPFO. EPFO is a Kamadhenu as every month new employees are joining and provident fund deductions are deposited into their kitty. The Prime Minister has to get this social media appeal on his table for immediate intervention. Just share it. We are 21k members, in other words 21,000 shares create a big viral. This is the only way we can attract the deaf ears of Supreme Court and Government of India. Servo Srinivasan, Chennai. Let us see some comments here. Vastu Nagaraj, yes, my support is there. Go Madam Parthasarathi, unless there is a push, nothing moves. Push can be created by united representation patiently. We will succeed. Geeta Ram Shaini, it is very much true that many pensioners have died. Some due to illness, some due to old age and some due to corona. And there is no statistics available in pensioners' case. Only God knows how he will pardon the responsible persons and officers concerned of the EPFO and government. For let this all happen. Manju Singh, you are right, sir. Ji. Jai Sri Krishna Radhe Radhe Ji. Chinmay Piswas, I think government and Supreme Court will get mum till each and every EPS 94 pensioner dies. महेश चंद्र यादव, हम लोगों को अपना अधिकार मिलना चाहिए. सुरेंद्र पाल सिंह, my support is there. Arvind K. Singh, I supported the demand of EPS 94 pensioners.